Hi, Yaron from Deepchecks. Monitoring an LLM app in production is tricky. Quality can drift, usage patterns change, and failures often go unnoticed until users complain. You need more than just basic logs. You need real-time visibility into how well your app is performing. That's exactly what the Deepchecks LLM Evaluation platform delivers. Powerful, built-in production monitoring designed to surface the issues that matter most. In Deepchecks, the production overview shows your version's total score, by interaction type or at the session level, so you can instantly spot where things are going wrong. The overtime graph adds auto annotations, so you can track performance drift based on the properties you've marked as important. You can also view each property's overtime performance to better understand the main contributors. The score breakdown component reveals which properties are pulling your score down, compared between time periods to catch property-level regressions. From here, you can drill down with our root cause analysis tools, like failure mode analysis or time-specific insights, to understand exactly why issues are happening with real examples. Already using Datadog or new Relic? With a single API key, Deepchecks streams your production scores and properties directly into those platforms. We even provide ready-to-use dashboards and monitors in our docs so you can start alerting immediately. With Deepchecks production monitoring, you don't just collect data, you get actionable insights to keep your LLM app accurate, reliable, and ready for everything. So try it out on your next deployment.